So very good afternoon. How have you been?
Yeah, very good afternoon. I have been so great so far, and thank you for asking me. What about you? How are you doing?
Yes, I'm also doing pretty well.
Good to
And
hear.
how is the weather over there? It is too hot. I'm really sweating a lot.
Yeah,
How is the weather over
I was
there?
also
Is it too
sweating.
hot there?
Yeah, not too much. It is not scorching hot today. Yesterday, yeah, yesterday that was really scorching day, but today is not like that. Today is little bit relaxed. And
Mm-hmm.
when I came in this room,
Okay.
so that time, I felt
Hmm.
much hot. Then I turned on the fan. So now it's okay. Now I'm not sweating. I'm not feeling too much hot. Now I'm relaxed, little bit.
Okay. Here it is really too much hot, and I have turned off the fan, but still I'm sweating. So it's really hot here
It's
today.
really hot. Is okay. So you are from West Bengal.
Yes. So
Mhm.
do you? Yes, ma'am. I'm from West Bengal.
Yeah.
So do you like summer seasons or not?
Yeah, I like summer season. I like summer season because I have this quality that I don't get too much hot, and I can relax in summer,
Oh,
and I can survive in I can tolerate
okay,
hot. Yeah, I can tolerate in a heat. I'm that kind of person, and I have this quality, and I don't.
okay.
Yeah, but when it comes to winter, I don't like winter at all. Because
Hmm.
I cannot tolerate winter.
Okay.
I am not adaptable towards the winter. I'm really, I really frustrated in winter. I really feel frustrated in winter, but I don't feel in
Hmm.
summer as well. So summer, I can say it's my favorite
Mhm.
weather, summer. But most of the people don't
Yes.
like summer season. And I don't
Yes,
sweat
most,
too much as
absolutely,
well.
most of the people.
Hmm.
Okay, that's great. That's amazing. Even I also feel I know when it comes to spring summer, we have to face a little bit difficulties, but I can bear, I can tolerate, just like you.
Mhm.
Even I stay in my room. I sometimes I just close my windows and doors, and then also I can stay in the room. My sisters used to say when I was in my parents' house, my sister used to say that how do you bear, how do you tolerate this much heat? But I can also bear like you. So I
Yeah.
don't face that much difficulties.
Yeah,
Hmm.
I'm also one of my family that who can bear heat, who can tolerate be, who can survive in the
Hmm.
summer. But my family member, my sister and my sister-in-laws, they are not, they don't have this quality that they like winter. But I don't like winter. I like
Hmm.
summer. Yeah, it is. I can say it's, affordable of me summer season.
Okay. Because you don't like extreme cold. Some
Yes.
people, there are some
Hmm.
people who do not like extreme cold, so that's why they prefer summer.
Yeah.
Yes. So what do you do on summer days? What do you do usually?
What
Do
I
you go
do?
outside in the sun? Do you go that much?
No, if I have work, so then I have to go. If I don't have any
Hmm.
work for outside, so then I don't go. I just like to stay at home. And I am very homebody person. I don't like to go
Hmm.
in winter and simultaneously I don't go like to summer as well. I just want to stay at home, and I just want to do everything by just sitting at home. I am that kind of person, and I am very homebody person.
Okay. Oh, great. Just like me, I also do the same. I feel like I'm in heaven when I'm at home. I do not like to go outside that much. I
That
feel
much.
like if I can do everything just by sitting at home, it would be very great.
Yeah.
So that kind of person I am also. So do you also like to visit to relatives' house, or there are some people who frequently visit to relatives' house or any place. They love to go outside. So do you like this kind of things too? Or do you feel like no, I'm good at home only? Do you
You
feel
know,
relaxed at home?
you know. I did not get your point because when you were telling me these things, your voice was breaking up. So could you please repeat your sentence that I could get better?
Okay. Yeah, sure, sure, sure. Sure, sure, ma'am. I was saying that, do you like to go to relatives' house? Do you like to go to outside with friends? Do you like to hang out with friends? There are some people who really like a lot to go outside to hang out with their friends and to go to relatives' house, and they love to attend marriage ceremony and every kind of ceremony. They love to every kind of occasions. They love to attend. So what kind of person you are? Are you a kind of person who likes all these things, or you don't like these things?
And to be honest, truly,
Introvert kind of person or extrovert?
to be honest and truly
Mm-hmm.
speaking, I am used to be introvert kind of person, but even now, still
Mm-hmm.
I am not introvert person. I am just I am not also extrovert. I
Mm-hmm.
am just ambivert, not total complete introvert.
Ambivert.
Yeah, ambivert. I am ambivert person. And if
Okay.
I talk about to go in occasion, in events, and hang out with friends, so I don't like at all. I don't, and usually I
Okay.
don't go in even in marriage anniversary or even in wedding events and any functions. I don't like to go because I don't like crowdy. I don't like crowd.
Yes, yes.
I feel really very, yeah, I feel
Mhm.
really very, restless when I see too much crowd all together, and also relatives are not good. If you go if you go in wedding, yeah, they always gossip about you, and this is the favorite thing so of them. They always do this kind of thing, so that's
Right.
why I don't like. When I was in my 18 or in my 20s, so I used to go a
Mm.
lot, and I was that kind of person that I used to like to go in wedding every occasion, every event I used to go. But as I became
Oh.
older, yeah, as I became older, so then I stopped to go anywhere, and I don't like to go in every event in my relatives as well. And because I am unable to hang
Mm.
out with my friends because they are from so far from me. They are not from my same from they are not same place. And so that's why they are also busy in their life. They are doing job, and they are doing lots of things at the same time.
Mm.
Don't
Mm.
they are not they don't have enough time to hang out with me.
Mm.
I am also not getting enough time, so but I like to hang out with my friends. But I don't like to go in wedding anniversaries,
Mm.
in weddings events, in other occasion as well. So I'm that kind of person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you have a thing? Do you have any friend with whom you are very close, with whom you share everything, your secrets, you love to share with that person? When you share things with that person, you feel relaxed, you feel comfortable. You don't have to think that, can I say this or not? So this kind, do you have this kind of friend? Do you have?
Friend, are you talking about friend? Are you talking about friends?
Yes,
Friend.
yes.
So yeah,
Your close friends.
yeah,
Do you have your close friend?
I have best friend.
Okay.
And whenever I get time,
Okay. Where does she live? Where does he or she live?
she lives in other
Mm-hmm.
village. She doesn't live in my village.
I can't hear. She used to live in your village.
No, no, she was from other village. She's from other village.
Okay,
We
so
were met, yeah,
okay, okay.
we were, we were meet in college. So that's why she was not
Okay,
from
you met
my.
in college.
Yeah, we were met in college. So from that time, since that time, she's my best friend, and I am that kind of person, who don't share anything anything to anyone, even even I don't share with my best friends.